Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the exciting world of compact luxury SUVs with the all-new 2024 Porsche Macan. This little Porsche packs a big punch, offering exhilarating performance, a luxurious interior, and head-turning design, all in a practical and versatile package. Let's jump under the hood. The 2024 Macan offers two enticing engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, estimated to deliver a healthy 261 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. That's enough muscle to get you going and put a smile on your face. But if you crave even more power, the Macan steps up to the plate with a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. This powerhouse cranks out an estimated 375 horsepower and 383 lb-ft of torque. And for those who truly crave the pinnacle of Macan performance, there's the range-topping Macan GTS, which boasts a stonking 434 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque from the same 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6. No matter which engine you choose, all Macan models come paired with a smooth, shifting 7-speed PDK dual-clutch automatic transmission and Porsche's confidence-inspiring all-wheel drive system, ensuring you get the most out of every drive. Speaking of driving, hold on tight. The Macan's rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a scorching 4.3 seconds, while the Macan GTS obliterates that time in just 3.9 seconds. The 2024 Macan isn't just about power, it's a looker too. It retains the sleek and sporty design Porsche is famous for, with a sloping roofline and a muscular stance that screams performance. It's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Slide inside the cabin, and you're greeted by a luxurious and driver-focused environment. High-quality materials surround you, from the comfortable seats to the beautifully crafted dashboard. Standard features like a panoramic sunroof bathe the interior in natural light, creating a spacious and airy feel. For those who prioritize comfort, heated front seats are available to keep you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Porsche is renowned for its cutting-edge technology, and the 2024 Macan is no exception. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large and user-friendly 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This system allows you to control navigation, audio, climate control, and various vehicle settings with ease. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, so you can seamlessly integrate your smartphone and access your favorite music, podcasts, and navigation on the go. The 2024 Macan prioritizes safety with a suite of standard driver assistance features. These include forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking, which can help you avoid or mitigate collisions. If you're looking for additional peace of mind, advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and surround view cameras are available. The 2024 Porsche Macan comes in three trims: the base Macan, the Macan S, and the high-performance Macan GTS. Pricing starts at around $57,500 for the Macan S, while the range-topping Macan GTS starts at approximately $73,000. The 2024 Porsche Macan is a compelling choice for anyone seeking a compact luxury SUV that blends exhilarating performance, luxurious comfort, and everyday practicality. It offers the thrill of a Porsche sports car in a package that's perfect for navigating city streets or weekend getaways. So, if you're looking for a sporty and sophisticated SUV that makes a statement, the 2024 Porsche Macan deserves a closer look. Thanks for joining me on today's tour, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on the new Macan.